Hey guys, how you doing? I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. I'm the guy who's been drawing a lot, so I've been thinking a lot about my art style. Okay, so I thought if I could draw famous art YouTubers who inspire me a lot, so I thought about these guys. Can I draw them? So when I draw my characters using my art style, I like to exaggerate people's body parts. If you look at Chelsea's head, for example, it's a little bit bigger than it is in the photo, and if you look at 1000's head, it's a little bit smaller than it usually is in the photo, and that's how I like it. And my art style is mixed with a little bit of realism. So I hope you enjoy the music and the time lapse. That's what I wanted to say. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Goodbye. So please, if you like the video, please press that like button and consider subscribing, and please go down to the comment section and tell me what you feel about this art style, how you feel about this art style, mixing realism and cartoon. Thank you very much.
Okay, this how we do. No cap. God, listen. Yeah, I'll be drawing. You'll be liking. Please start considering subscribing. New star in the building, baby. I'll be drawing, showing your heart like it. I know you'll be liking. Please consider subscribing. You'll be liking, start commenting. That helps with a lot of great things, baby, like algorithm, illustrating. TENHUNDRED collab will be really helping. Nah, I ain't lying. I'll be showing your heart, really like it. I'll be drawing, illustrating, drawing Chelsea. TENHUNDRED, he be the man, he be motivated. Positive soul, yeah, I know you be really liking how you know. I'll be tripping on the real big. I'll be dripping like TENHUNDRED. We be drawing every day. You be liking, illustrating, showing you how we really like it, we be drawing. It's a new jacket, it's a black jacket. Got new glasses over there, heavy feeling. Baby thinking I'm lying, baby lying like a hot dog. Baby girl, it's a new style. I'ma show you how we like it, I'ma show you how we do it. Now listen to me, baby, we about to do it. Hit the B-roll.
Hit the B-roll, baby, hit the B-roll. Hit the